What's up, guys? It's me and Parker, and today we're gonna be building one of my Lego sets from Guardians of the Galaxy.
So now let's go.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because it goes through the hall.
First thing we're gonna do is unbox this Lego set. Inside the box we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of Legos, and we have 1, 2 booklets and 1 comic.
Like, oh, we need to read this comic.
Shoot! Womp! Shrek! Boom! Boom! Rat! Smash! Zack!
Yeah! Bombs! Snap!
Blow!
Kaboom! Ow!
We're starting with bag 1 right now, and I put it back in the video. Alright, let's do this. We got half of it done already. We got this done. Got this blue thing done, but we need this booklet. Not on this part. Alright, so this is bag 1, and this is bag 2, and now I'm starting on bag 3.
Let's do it.
Let's do this.
I need to take a quick food break.
Why is that?
Because I was hungry.
Oh, okay. What are you eating?
Noodles.
What do you got?
Pizza.
Oh, and what about you?
Noodles.
So we're back from lunch, and now we're on bag 4. Let's get going.
So what do we got done so far? What is this, guys? This is your, so you built one wing and now you gotta build the other wing?
Yeah.
Looking pretty cool.
Building Gamora right now.
Ooh, let's see Gamora. Who else is the other character you got?
Those guys over there.
Set him up. Star-Lord. What's this guy's name?
Nebula.
Oh, that's Nebula, yeah. She's the bad sister, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And then, what's his name again?
Drax.
Is it Jax?
Drax.
Drax, Star-Lord, and Nebula, here to save the day. Cool stuff, dude. Those are pretty sweet looking, dude. So what's going on? Do we finish finally?
Yep.
Let's see it.
Here's the shit. So guys, make sure to hit the notification bell and never miss a video. And also hit the subscribe button down below. See you later.